Here's a 2018 Chrysler 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Sirius XM Guardian remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, Pentastar engine, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, and Uconnect web Wi-Fi hotspot. Edmunds.com finds the 300 boasts sleeker styling, a quieter interior, and more comfortable ride than it did in years past. Interior craftsmanship is second to none in its class, and the 300's myriad electronic features are not only advanced but also easy to use. Since 1925, Chrysler has done more than just make vehicles. It has made history. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Groganstown Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we're committed to exceptional customer satisfaction. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.